Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter number 10, tens and hundred. Dear student, last class also we learned about the same chapter, and in that chapter we discussed about many questions about currency, the value of different currency in Indian rupees and their cost in Indian rupees. Then see, last class we learned about question page number 144 up to question number E. Question number A, B, C, D and E. So one question is left here. So please you can see from this page number 114. So see, it is Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Kiran नाम का एक लड़का हो या लड़की. See, Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The bill is here. The shopkeeper forgot to put point correctly in the prices. So whenever shopkeeper prepared this bill, he forgot to put the point in the price, in this given price. So put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of the bill. So dear students, see, bill is given like this. See, it is atom soap, one soap, it is 1250. It is 1250. Then green gram, it is 1 kg green gram, it is beta 5025. And see, tea powder, it is given here 2725. And coconut oil 1 liter, it is given 6000. It is given 6000. So where you have to put your decimal point here? आपको अभी यहाँ पर decimal point कहाँ रखना है बेटा? तो see, it is rupees. So there are 100 paise in 1 rupees. So see, up to 2 digit 99 these are paise, and when it will be 3 digit means 100, there will be rupees will be there. Okay, it will be converted into rupee. So it means after 2 digit, starting from this one place toward left, after 2 digit we have to put here decimal point. So after putting decimal here, what is this value now? It is rupees 12.50. It is rupees 12.50. The same way, here we have to put decimal, here we have to put decimal, here we have to put decimal. So see, because of this decimal, this value has been changed. It was, before decimal it was 1250, and when you put decimal here, it becomes rupees 12.50. It is 50.25, 75.25, 60.00. 60.00. So see, now what we have to do? We have to add here. Then see, addition 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. It is what? Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Again carry 1 here. Again carry 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Again carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. It is 15. So see, these are 2 here. Now again decimal point will be here. Then see, it is what? It is 150.50. 150.50. It is 100 rupees 150. The total bill amount is rupees 150. But dear student, it is the correct decimal point here. If you put the decimal point here, it will be wrong and its value will be changed. It will be only rupees 15.000. So if you will put here, then it will be rupees 1500.00. So because of number is same, but because of that only place of the decimal point, the value is changing. So it is important to put the decimal point at correct place. So it is important to put decimal point at correct place. So see, it is decimal point is here now. After 2 digits from one place towards left, so it is 150. Okay, it is 150. So in your textbook page number 144, see this question. Here you can total, and then you can first you put decimal point here at the proper place, at correct place, and then you add this number, then you will get the correct amount as the bill amount. Now next topic is about temperature. Next topic is about temperature. See, it is given on page number 144 only. Which city is cool? So our next topic is about temperature. So see, what is temperature? Sometimes you may be you may be heard in news, you may be read from your newspaper that today temperature of the Dulia is like this, today's temperature of Delhi is like this and this. Okay, this type of news are there. You can see this type of temperature news in your weather report. Now temperature. There are 3 columns: city, temperature at 3 AM, temperature at 3 PM. So dear student, You keep in mind, it is not compulsory that the temperature of any particular city for whole day should be same. जरूरी नहीं कि किसी भी सिटी का टेम्परेचर, किसी भी प्लेस का टेम्परेचर पूरे दिन भर सेम होगा. इट इज चेंजिंग. इट इज क्या हुआ? इट इज चेंजिंग. तो सी दैट इज व्हाई इट इज मेंशन हियर टेम्परेचर एट 3 AM एंड टेम्परेचर एट 3 PM मींस द सिटी आर सेम, days are same also. See, it is given here. The temperature of each city was noted at 3 PM on 26 January 2008. On 16 January 2008. You see, the temperature on which date it was noted, the date is same, that is 26 January here. But timing is changed here only. It is 3 AM and 3 PM. So, as per time change, the temperature will be also changed. To see, first of all, page number 114, Indian map is given here, and in this map, some name of some cities are given, and their temperature is mentioned here. But this temperature is noted at what time? It is the temperature which was noted at 3 PM. So what we have to write? See, this is Chennai, and here it is 3 PM. So we have to write the temperature here only from this map. See, it is Srinagar. First of all, it is Srinagar. It is temperature at 3 PM. So it is 8.1. It is 8.1. So like that, first of all, we have to write Chennai. To see where is Chennai? Chennai is here, and the temperature of this Chennai, it is 29.9. What is 29.9 degrees Celsius? Okay. Next. किसके बारे में क्या ऐसा आपको रिपोर्ट का चाहिए? रिपोर्ट का चाहिए? किस चीज के लिए आपको क्या है? वो आपको रिपोर्ट का चाहिए? आपको ये देखिए कब ये हम नहीं जाते कब पाएंगे? जो आया वो हम देंगे तो नहीं दे पाएंगे. नहीं, अगर आपके पास उसका भर देखेंगे तो हम दे देंगे. आपस में आपको कोई आइडिया होगा उसका फाइनल को लिख क्यों लेंगे? So see, it is the temperature of Chennai which was noted at 29.9. It is temperature of Chennai at 3.3 PM. 3 PM, it is 29.9. Like that, Mumbai, see, you can notice the temperature of all these cities from here only, which was noted at 3 PM. So Mumbai, it is 30.1 degrees Celsius. Then see, next city is Thiruvananthapuram. It is 33.5 degrees Celsius. Then it is Kolkata. See, it is 26.6 degrees Celsius. And then it is Bhopal. It is 25.9 degrees Celsius. And it is Srinagar, 8.1 degrees Celsius. And see, it is Guwahati, 24.8. And it is Jaipur, it is 23.2 degrees Celsius. So these are the temperature which was noted at 3 PM. Now one column is left here. It is temperature at 3 AM. To see, here one chart is given here, and from this chart we have to notice the temperature which was recorded at 3 AM. So Chennai it is 21.1. Then Mumbai it is 19.0 degrees Celsius. Then Thiruvananthapuram it is 21.6 degrees Celsius. Kolkata it is 13.1 degrees Celsius, and Bhopal it is 9.8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar it is 1.3 degrees Celsius, and Guwahati it is 12.8 degrees Celsius, and Jaipur it is 10.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these are the temperature here of the same from some cities which was noted at 3 PM and 3 AM. Now on the basis of these questions, this information, some questions are here. See, which place had highest temperature at 3 PM? So for this answer, we have to see the table of 3 PM only. we have to see the temperature which was noted at 3 p.m. So from this chart, from this column, we will get answer of this question. See which place at highest temperature at 3 p.m. तो 3 p.m. आपको यहाँ पर हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर जो है, तो सी हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर किस सीट का बेटा? हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर किसका है? देखिए हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर इट इज मुंबई and see it is 35.1 degrees Celsius. And second question is which place is the coolest at this time? Coolest at 3 p.m. Coolest at 3 p.m. कौन सा place है बेटा? See again you can see the chart of this 3 p.m. only. Which one is coolest here? See this one is Srinagar. क्या ये? This one is Srinagar. It is 8.1 degrees Celsius. This is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Any doubt? Now next question देखिए, how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from the that in Srinagar at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. time में at 3 p.m. Mumbai the temperature and Srinagar temperature we have to take here the temperature of both city and then we have to compare how much is higher the temperature of Mumbai than the temperature of Srinagar. So see first of all we write here Mumbai. It is Mumbai and then it is Srinagar. See, so what is the temperature of the Mumbai at 3 p.m.? It is 35.1 degrees Celsius and Srinagar, see it is 8.1 degrees Celsius. 8.1 degrees Celsius. Now we have to compare how much higher is there. So to find out this answer, first of all find out difference here. Difference of this greater number minus 35.1 minus 8.1. So see difference is here 35.1 minus 8.1 0 point and it is 27. So what is this answer? It is 27 degrees Celsius. So this is difference. So we can write the temperature of Mumbai is higher than temperature of Mumbai is higher than Srinagar by 27 degrees Celsius. क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? तो see again, once again you see the temperature of Mumbai. The temperature of Mumbai is higher than Srinagar by 27 degrees Celsius. Now come to numbers 3 questions. Come to question number 3. How many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach the 40 degrees Celsius in Tirunpuram? अब तिरुवनंतपुरम का जो टेम्परेचर है, तिरुवनंतपुरम का टेम्परेचर आपको 40 डिग्री तक करना है. तो how much degree we have to add to rise it 40 degree? So dear student, it is not mentioned here whether we have to reach the temperature of 40 degree in morning time, mean at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. It is not mentioned here. So we will calculate both here. See, Tirunpuram at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. कितना बेटा? And then see Tirunpuram at 3 p.m. Okay, at 3 p.m. So first of all, I will note here the temperature of Tirunpuram at both time. It is AM itna, it is 21.6 degrees Celsius and Tirunpuram at it is 33.5 degrees Celsius. Now question is here, how much we have to add here to rise 40? So see, to rise 40 degree Celsius at 3 a.m. अब हमें यहाँ पर 40 डिग्री पहुंचाना है 3 a.m. में, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा? 40.0 minus 21.6. 21.6. So see, it is 40.0 minus 21.6. Then see, it is 10, here 9, and it is 3. तो क्या होगा? 10 minus 6, it is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8, and it is 1. So 18.4. It is 18.4 degrees Celsius. What? It is 18.4 degrees Celsius. And next thing, to rise 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस एट 3 PM. अब आपको 3 PM को आपको 40 डिग्री पहुंचाना है, तो सी इट इज 40.0 माइनस 33.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो सी इट इज 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इनका सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे बेटा तो यू विल गेट आंसर 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ नेक्स्ट सी हाउ मच इज लोअर द टेम्परेचर of Kolkata from that in Chennai. Time is given 3 PM. So see the temperature at 3 PM. How much is lower of the temperature of Kolkata than the temperature of Chennai? मतलब चेन्नई से कोलकाता का टेम्परेचर at 3 PM कितना कम है? कितना कम है? तो see it is Kolkata and it is Chennai. First of all, write the temperature of the Kolkata and Chennai at 3 PM. See, you can take it from your chart. Kolkata it is at 3 PM. It is 26.6 degrees Celsius, and Chennai it is 29. Kolkata it is 26.6, and Chennai it is 29.9. 29.9 degrees Celsius. So see, difference is here. Difference क्या होगा फिर? It is 29.9 minus 26.6. Then difference is 3.3 degree Celsius. क्या होगा इसमें? It is 3.3 degree Celsius. So what we can write here now? How much is lower the temperature of Kolkata? So see, the temperature of Kolkata is lower than Chennai by 3.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, अब देखिए यहां पर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ कोलकाता इज लोअर देन चेन्नई बाय 3.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ नेक्स्ट सी टेम्परेचर एट 3 AM. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू टेम्परेचर एट 3 AM. Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 AM? So for this answer, we have to see this table which is given the temperature which was recorded at 3 AM. So see, this is the temperature which was recorded at 3 AM. Same thing is here in your textbook, page number 145. See, so what is question? Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 AM? So see, in this chart, it is the temperature of 3 AM. तो which place has lowest here? तो सी आंसर इज श्रीनगर which is 1.3. तो क्या लिखेंगे? श्रीनगर had lowest temperature at 3 AM. कितना था बेटा वो था आपका 1.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इट इज 1.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एनी डाउट? नो. Come to last question. What is difference between the temperature at 3 PM and 3 AM in Chennai and Bhopal? So see, here we have to find out the difference between the temperature of the same city, Chennai, at 3 AM and 3 PM, and one more city there, Bhopal. So see, first of all, we will make two box here, two part here. Here see, here we will find out difference of Chennai. Chennai, it is Bhopal, suppose. It is Bhopal. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out difference between temperature of the Chennai at 3 PM and 3 AM. So see, at 3 PM, at 3 AM. चलिए, अब 3 PM चेन्नई कितना था देखिए तुम. See, this is the Chennai here. Chennai, it is 3 PM, 29.9. 29.9 degree Celsius. And 3 AM Chennai it is 21.8, 21.1 degree Celsius. Okay, it is Chennai. Now same way Bhopal at 3 PM and it is at 3 AM. चलिए 3 PM and 3 AM. तो at 3 AM भोपाल देखिए, where is Bhopal here? Bhopal 25.9. It is 25.9 degree Celsius. And at AM Bhopal is here 9.8. 9.8 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to do? Here we have to find out difference अब चलिए दोनों का डिफरेंस निकाल लेते हैं। सी डिफरेंस कितना बेटा? इट इज 29.9 minus 21.8, it is 8.8 degrees Celsius. This is difference here. And now here difference between temperature of the 3 p.m. and it is 25.9 minus 9.8, it is 16.1 degree Celsius. So this way here we discuss some example of temperature, and this is the last part of this today's class and chapter. So this way our chapter has been finished here. Thank you.